Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply effects only to the overlay or to the background of your videos. So I'm just going to add this overlay here and I'm just going to place it on top of another video. Let me just find one real quick. I'm just going to type in snowing. There, that should be the background. Actually, this should be the background because that should be the frame I meant. Alright, so I only want to add effects to the overlay. So I'm just going to select the effects button here. And I'm going to type in snow, for instance, and I want it to only be applied here. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to drag it inside of the video so that it only shows on the video. And it looks like it's on top of both, but it's not. It's because the one behind looks like it's snowing as well. So if I selected the slow zoom, it only zooms in on the overlay. Same thing if I added it to the background only. So I selected this one and added it to only the background. It won't show on top of the video because it's behind here. I'll show you with another effect because can't really see that. Maybe this folds one, it will only be applied to the background. But if I added it here, it's going to be applied only to the overlay. So that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you think this video was helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!